In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate bonus on salary in Microsoft Excel. Open Excel and start with a clean worksheet. We'll first set up a clear structure so your calculations are easy to read and maintain. At the top, reserve a small area for company information and the pay period. Just a couple of labeled cells is fine. Keeping this visible helps when you print or share the sheet. Below that, create two sections, one for employee details and one for pay calculations. In employee details, add labels like employee name, employee ID, department, and month. Then set up two side-by-side blocks titled income and deductions. Under income, list basic salary, house rent allowance, HRA, dearness allowance, DA, and transportation allowance, TA. Under deductions, include Provident Fund, PF, and income tax. Enter the relevant amounts for each item. Formatting these cells as currency and the rates as percentage will reduce mistakes and make everything easier to scan. Next, calculate gross pay by adding up all your income components. In the gross pay cell, use a simple sum formula over the income amounts. For example, it at sum, basic salary through TA. This ensures that any change you make to individual income items updates the total automatically. Now move to deductions. If PF or tax are based on a rate, place those rates in their own cells as percentages. For example, 12% for PF. Then calculate each deduction by multiplying the appropriate base by the rate. Some organizations calculate PF on basic salary and tax on gross pay, so follow your company policy when choosing the base. If you ever change the rate, your deductions will update without retyping formulas. Create a total deductions line using sum across all deduction values. With that in place, calculate net salary by subtracting total deductions from gross pay using a straightforward formula like equals gross pay, total deductions. Again, formatting this as currency makes it clear at a glance. Now add the bonus. Create a bonus column and place a bonus percent next to it. For a simple percentage bonus, if the salary amount is in A2 and the bonus rate is 10%, you can enter equals A2 10%. A helpful variation is to store the bonus rate in a separate cell, then reference it like equals A2 bonus percent cell. That way, updating the rate updates all bonus values. If you're filling the formula down a list, lock the rates cell reference so it stays fixed. That's it, a clean, reusable Excel layout that calculates gross pay, deductions, net salary, and a straightforward bonus.